Bcm mid-length 16-inch upper receiver. This one has been upgraded. I have a JP Rifles enhanced bolt carrier group right here. Here's the JP Rifles enhanced bolt group. It's a full mass operating system right here for that. It has improved bearing service and also has a slick coating on the actual bolt that provides a increased lubricity for the actual bolt carrier's movement. You also have a front foregrip on here. Got a BCM front foregrip on here. You also have a barrel shroud, or I should say upper and lower handguard, on the entire length of the actual upper portion of the receiver right here. Plus you also have a muzzle brake flash hider on the end right here as well too. This is also a BCM flash hider muzzle brake. This is not a enhanced comp muzzle brake. This is simply a relatively good small muzzle brake compensator. Okay, other side. Here's the other side. Got your lower grip right here as well too, foregrip. Here's the other side. Here's your sling mount attachment right here. And here's the actual designation for the actual part number for the upper receiver fore and lower hand grip. There you go, right there. And there's the optic mount right here as well too. Got a Bushnell TRS-25. And here's the other portion of the upper receiver as well too for that. Got your charging handle back there. I'm going to show you the muzzle brake. Here's your muzzle brake attachment, BCM brand. Go ahead and flip it around here again. Get a better shot here for that. Now I'll go ahead and pull the actual bolt carrier group out here. So let me situate this down here a little bit better. Take the bolt group out here. Okay, here's the bolt carrier group. Okay, there we go. This one has a full mass operating system bolt group in it. JP Rifles enhanced full mass operating system right here. This one also has the full mass, or I should say the actual enhanced bolt itself right here for that as well too. So and this one has the enhanced bolt as well, so you can get a better shot here for you. Here's the back of the bolt carrier, side of it. JP Rifles enhanced extractor on there as well too. And there's your bolt face. This one also has the enhanced one-piece gas ring on here, so the actual gas ring assembly in here is extremely easy to push. You can push this thing in and out relatively easy. It has the enhanced one-piece gas ring that provides a better optimal seal for the actual bore down inside here as well too. So that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and next we'll take the pin out of here. Here's a pin. We'll go ahead and take the firing pin out. Here's the titanium firing pin right here. Take the cam pin out here as well too. Seeing this thing out one hand is a little bit difficult for me here. So you can knock it out of here. There we go. Sorry about that. There's the JP Rifles Enhanced cam pin right here. And we'll go ahead and take the bolt out of here. And there's your bolt. JP Rifles bolt, enhanced bolt assembly. Got your extractor right there as well too. And there's your bolt assembly. You have one piece ring in the back here, one piece ring. And that provides a enhanced reliability as well too for the actual bolt itself right there for that. So there's the stripped bolt carrier. And you got your enhanced bolt right here. And you have the one-piece gas ring on the back here as well too. These things operate quite effectively in the Bcm 16-inch mid-length upper receiver right here. If you want a good upgraded part for your upper receiver, I would start with the actual heart of the gun, which is the bolt carrier group, which is this right here. This one has about 300 rounds on it right now specifically, and it functions perfectly fine in the Bcm upper right here for that. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, feel free to leave me a message here, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible with some kind of a detailed answer. I'll see you guys.